So I tried something crazy here. These are the mechanisms for the jalousie windows on my 76 camper. You'll notice there's a left and a right side. The neat thing is, the gears were stripped out, obviously. Put this back apart here. Bad teeth, bad teeth, bad teeth. Well, it only uses half the teeth. Well, just about half. I mean, the real work is done at the extreme when it tries to smash it closed. So I took the gear out of this one, took the gear out of this one, and swapped them. And now, I think I might be able to use this. Because once the window is open, if it's properly lubricated, it doesn't take much to get it going. And so that should be the good teeth, where it really counts the last few cranks to shut the window. And then once the window is open, if we just do our best not to open it all the way, or I think this one here we can open all the way. The gear in the other one was in worse shape, so that other one might not be. It will go both extremes, but you do have to help it at one little stage in the game, at one little stage in the throw. But this one, I think I resurrected this for free. And hey, you know, give it a try. I'm willing to try it. We'll see what happens. I'll put the whole thing together before I bolt the window back in the camper. I'll make sure it gets through all of its motions before it's fully reassembled, but it's a start. It didn't cost anything.